Hello friends, me Nehal Jain, student of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Rajgarh. Today I will show you an experiment called bubble inside the bubble. So you all know that what is bubble? Mixture of shampoo and water. Sometimes you play with it. So sometimes you wonder that why we blow a bubble on a surface, then we are not able to blow another bubble in it. So I will show you today that. Okay, let's start. So ingredients you want and materials you want are some water, some dishwash soap bar liquid, some sugar, a teaspoon and a straw. So let's start. First add 2 tablespoons of sugar in water. Mix it well. And then add 3 tablespoons of dishwash soap liquid in it. Then mix it well. Then pour some liquid on the surface. And spread it all over. Spray some mixture on straw also all over. Then start. Blow the first bubble. That is our first bubble. Then the second one. Then the third one. Then the fourth one. Then the fifth one. So you are able to see that is our first, that is our second, that is our third, that is our fourth and that is our fifth. So easy. Let's try it at your home. Thank you friends. Take care during this COVID-19 period.